welcome back to my channel. Since it's the start of the new year, I thought it would be a great idea to make a vision board for 2021. I've seen many people doing this on social media. I personally have never made one before, and this year I really wanted to make one, so I'm going to show you guys how I did mine, and it's super easy. If you have a laptop, you can do it. I did mine on Canva, and I'm going to be using this as my wallpaper on my laptop. And now I'm going to show you guys how I made mine. Okay guys, so first you're gonna go onto Pinterest and find all your aesthetic photos. Here I decided to go with a beige theme. I love the beige aesthetic. Okay, so I saved all my pictures on a folder on my desktop. And then you're gonna open up Canva and set the size to 920 by 1080. That's perfect for your desktop wallpaper. So then you're going to open up the folder you saved onto your desktop and start dragging the pictures onto Canva. So as you continue dropping your pictures onto Canva, you can start organizing it however you want. I did it pretty randomly, whatever I thought looked good. So here I'm just resizing some of my pictures to get them to fit. Ooh, it's already looking so cute. I also decided to add some motivational quotes to my wallpaper because every time I open my laptop, it'll be the first thing I see. So for your vision board, you want to choose pictures that inspire you or you want to look at, such as motivational quotes, or even like here I have like skincare picture, I have outfit inspo and inspo for home decor. So once you're satisfied with your vision board, you're going to download it as a JPEG file. You're then going to set your vision board as your wallpaper. And ta-da! There you have it. It looks so aesthetically pleasing. It's gorgeous. It's my favorite. It's my wallpaper right now, and I'm in love with it. And it's so easy to do. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you guys end up making one for yourself. I will see you guys next week with another video.